Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to fix a Mitsubishi power window. First, let's begin with some initial checks. Start by testing all window switches, including the master switch on the driver's side and individual passenger switches. Listen carefully for any sounds from the window motor when activating the switch. A click or hum can indicate different issues. Also, visually inspect the window glass for any physical obstructions or signs of binding in its track. Finally, ensure your vehicle's battery has at least 12.6 volts for proper operation. Next, we will dive into the electrical system. Begin by locating your vehicle's fuse box, typically under the hood or dashboard, and inspect the power window fuse. A blown fuse is a common and easy fix. Then, use a multimeter to test the power window switch for proper continuity. A faulty switch often prevents window movement. Also, check for 12 volts of power directly at the window motor's electrical connector. Finally, visually examine all accessible wiring for any signs of damage, fraying, or corrosion that could interrupt the circuit. Now, let's address the mechanical components. You will need to carefully remove the interior door panel to gain access to the window motor and regulator assembly. Once exposed, you can test the window motor directly by applying 12 volts of power from a separate source. If it moves, the motor is likely fine. Thoroughly inspect the window regulator for any bent tracks, broken cables, or damaged plastic guides. Sometimes, simply lubricating the moving parts with a silicone-based spray can resolve stiffness and restore smooth operation. Finally, it is time for reassembly and thorough testing. Carefully put the door panel back into place, ensuring all electrical connectors are securely attached and screws are tightened. Once everything is reassembled, test the power window's up and down movement multiple times to confirm the repair. Observe that the window moves smoothly and consistently, without any hesitation or grinding noises. Also, double-check that all other door functions, like the door lock and speaker, are operating correctly before concluding your work.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.